Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting creatine monohydrate and measuring your dose precisely. 5 g daily is the standard. Once done, decide if you want a loading phase. 0. 3 g per kilogram daily for 5 to 7 days speed saturation, then switch to 5 g maintenance. Make sure to dissolve the powder in about 200 to 300 milliliters of water or juice to improve taste and absorption. You take it any time that fits your routine, though consistency matters more than timing for long-term benefit. You should aim to take creatine around your workout window because combining it with carbs and some protein enhances muscle uptake. For example, mix with a small shake after training. Once mixed, drink promptly. If solubility is an issue, use slightly warm liquid to help dissolve the powder. Make sure to increase daily water by about 0.5 to 1 liter to support cellular hydration and kidneys. If you skip a dose, do not double up. Just resume the next day to maintain steady muscle stores. You finish by committing to a maintenance dose of 5 g per day for several months to preserve elevated muscle creatine levels and continued performance gains. Once established, cycling is optional. Many people take it continuously unless they experience side effects. Make sure to monitor for mild bloating or stomach upset. If digestive issues occur, split the daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller servings or take with food. If severe problems arise, stop use and consult a healthcare professional as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.